Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up two-factor authentication 2FA in TradingView app on iPhone. Enabling 2FA adds an extra security layer to your account, protecting it from unauthorized access if someone has your password. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, tap the TradingView icon, then sign in with your usual method. After that, tap the menu icon in the bottom left and go to the gear icon, settings, or select account settings. Scroll down and find the security in the settings menu. Then what you're gonna do is scroll down and find the security and settings menu. This is where you can manage the login methods, password, and two-factor authentication. TradingView will show you a QR code, a secret key that you can use with any standard authenticator app. If you don't already have one, download a trusted app like Google Authenticator or Authy or Microsoft Authenticator from the App Store. And in your Authenticator app, choose this QR scan code. The scan code will show in the TradingView alternatively, and you can copy the key and enter it manually. Your Authenticator app will generate 6-digit code that in TradingView to finish enabling two-factor authentication, and TradingView will provide backup recovery codes to write these down or save them securely. You'll need them if you ever lose access with your Authenticator app. Privacy tip: never share your two-factor authentication codes or backup codes with anyone. These gives full access to your account even if your password is changed. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.